Hi friends, there's nothing like a spotless, freshly cleaned home. If weekly cleanings are tough to keep up with, a monthly deep clean can make all the difference. In this video, I'll share an easy routine to tackle those often overlooked areas. Let's get started. On chilly mornings, I love starting the day with a warm cup of tea. It's the perfect energy boost and keeps me hydrated before diving into a busy day of cleaning. Monthly cleaning number 1. Clean window treatment. Cleaning window treatments is at the top of my monthly cleaning list. It's incredibly beneficial for reducing allergens, preventing dust buildup, improving light and airflow, Start by closing the blinds so they are flat and facing one direction. Use a blind duster to gently remove dust from each slat. I've found this 7-finger blind duster tool incredibly handy for cleaning aluminum blinds. It's a Venetian blind cleaning brush with a compact, ergonomic, handheld design that keeps your hands clear of dust while simplifying the cleaning process. The fabric covers are removable, washable, and reusable. For my wider blinds, I use a 3-blade blind duster. Its curved arms are designed to clean the tops and bottoms of 2 blinds at once, saving time on dusting. The duster sleeves are made of washable, reusable microfiber. The next task is to clean the windows and window tracks. My secret weapon are these disposable crevice cleaning brushes. The flat brush head is perfect for reaching tricky window tracks. Monthly cleaning number 2. Wash all your bedding. Remove sheets and pillowcases. Be sure to read and follow the care and cleaning instructions on the labels. Vacuuming the mattress to remove dust and allergens, eliminates odors, reduces dust mites, and prolongs mattress life. Rotate the mattress to prevent uneven wear and support better sleep. Make your bed with the clean sheets. using a lint roller to clean the table lampshade. Monthly cleaning number 3. Clean the washer. Although your washer is using detergent every time you run a load, it's not cleaning itself. You'll need to give it a deep clean once a month. Peroxide is a natural, safe alternative to harsh chemicals. Start with a dry and empty washer. Add 2 cups of hydrogen peroxide to the tub and run the washer. Set your washer to the cleaning setting or the largest and hottest setting you have. You can also wipe down the rubber door seal with a cloth soaked in hydrogen peroxide to remove mildew. Clean the washer filter. Rinse the filter under running water to remove any remaining dirt or residue. Wipe the inside of the filter housing. Put the filter back in place. Wipe to clean the exterior of the washer. Monthly cleaning number 4. Clean shower and surrounds. Deep cleaning the bathroom once a month is important. This prevents mold and mildew growth and maintains hygiene and reduces germs. Soak shower head and faucet aerators in a bag filled with white vinegar to dissolve mineral buildup. Secure the bag with a zip tie or tape. Let it soak. The length of time you should soak a shower head in vinegar depends on the material of the shower head. I normally soak it for 30 minutes. Remove the bag and turn on the hot water at full pressure to remove any remaining deposits. Now the shower head is unclogged, spotless and shiny. Monthly cleaning shower drains is essential to prevent mold, bacteria, and unpleasant odors. Start by removing the drain cover and using a drain hook or brush to clear trapped hair. Next, pour a mixture of baking soda and vinegar into the drain. Followed by hot water to dissolve buildup. Clean the drain cover and soap scum with a power scrubber and pink stuff cleaning paste. Then rinse it thoroughly. After the thorough cleaning, the shower booth is now fresh smelling and free of clogs. Once a month, I use a flexible drain brush to clear clogs and remove hair from the wash basin drains. It's always surprising to see what comes out. This routine not only keeps the drains clear, but also prevents unpleasant odors. I simply insert the brush, give it a few twists, and rinse. It's incredibly effective. Additionally, I use a power scrubber to effortlessly remove stains from the wash basin, leaving it spotless and refreshed. Monthly cleaning number 5. Clean hair combs and brushes. Do you clean your hairbrushes regularly? Over time, hair, oils, and product buildup accumulate, reducing their effectiveness and transferring dirt to your hair. Monthly cleaning keeps your brush working well and your hair looking its best. My hairstylist recommended a hairbrush cleaner set with a black double-headed and pink mini brush for easy hair and dirt removal. They're quick, effective, and made from durable, high-quality plastic. First, use the plastic brush side of the black double-headed hair cleaning brush. Second, use the side of the nylon bristles. Last, use the pink mini hair cleaning brush to clean the thin hair. After removing all trapped hair, fill a bowl with warm water and add a squeeze of shampoo to create a soapy solution. Soak your tools for 5 minutes to loosen any remaining gunk or hair. For wooden or natural bristle brushes, hold them by the handle and swirl them in the soapy water without fully immersing them. You'll notice how dirty the water becomes. Finally, rinse the tools under running water and let them air dry. Wow, I feel so much better now. Everything is clean and refreshed. This is how your tools will look, and you'll notice the difference when you use them. I will leave the product link in the video description for you to check out. Monthly cleaning number 6, clean hood fan filters. The kitchen hood fan filter traps grease, smoke, and food particles from cooking. Over time, these can build up and reduce the filter's efficiency. Remove the filter and soak it in warm, soapy water. For tough grease or stains on the hood fan filter, spray a detergent mix. Use a small scrub brush to clean tight areas thoroughly. Rinse, dry, and reinstall the filter. Now, your kitchen feels safer, cleaner, and healthier. Monthly cleaning number 7, clean tile and grout. Tile adds style to your kitchen, bathroom, and home, but easily collects dirt and grime. In a spray bottle, combine warm water with a few drops of dish soap. Spray the water and dish soap solution on the tile surface. Wipe the area with a damp microfiber towel or cloth. Apply the pink cleaning paste or grout cleaner to the grout lines. Scrub with a power scrubber. Rinse the grout with warm water and dry the grout and tiles with a microfiber cloth. Monthly cleaning number 8. Interior doors, trim, and baseboards. Doors and wood trim are known for accumulating dust, dirt, and debris over time, so a monthly wipe down is essential. I prefer using this damp sponge duster to wipe down the trim to remove most of the dirt and debris. Its flexible shape makes it easy to hold, and the specially designed grooves are effective at collecting dust, debris, and hair. With just a quick wipe, this sponge picks up dust easily, and you can simply rinse it with water and reuse it. Monthly cleaning number 9. Vacuum carpet. Given time, the dirt and debris not only reduce the lifespan of your carpet, it can even become a health hazard. For carpet stains, I spray Folex Instant Carpet Spot Remover directly on the spot and wipe it with a clean cloth. The stains and marks will disappear instantly. Since I prefer natural cleaning methods, I sprinkle baking soda on the carpet or rug once a month, let it sit for 15 minutes to absorb odors, and then vacuum as usual. The results are impressive. The carpets appear brighter and more refreshed. The fibers look fluffed and even. It smells neutral or fresher. Monthly cleaning number 10. Clean switch plates and stair handrail. Switch plates and covers can become unsightly when dust and grime build up over months, and the same goes for stair handrails. To clean switch plates, dampen a soft, clean cloth with water. Wring out the excess and gently wipe them down. For small crevices, use a soft scrub brush or toothbrush, but be careful not to let any liquid seep inside. For cleaning lacquered wooden handrails, I use hard wood cleaner and gently wipe them with a damp microfiber cloth, followed by drying with a clean, dry cloth. Thank you for watching. Every household has its own cleaning routine, and this video offers a simple monthly cleaning checklist. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Keep an eye out for more home cleaning ideas and feel free to share your thoughts in the comments. See you next time.